Hey everyone, so are you also wanted to earn money by a small amount of money through home? So I am here for your problems. So here is the solution. I am talking about here Carlyle Group in a global investment company with deep industry expertise, deploying private capital in three business areas: global private equities, global credit and global investment solutions. As of September 30, 2021, Carlyle Group has $293 billion in assets under management. Or our global platform is provided by local investment teams dedicated to creating value in the markets where we live, work and invest. So now I am going to tell you how you can download this app or earn so much money. You can download this app through our given link through Chrome or browser. The app will download. You have to go on the app and login page will appear. You have to give your phone number and password here and click on the login option. You can simply log in this app. Once you're done with login, then this page will appear. This app believes that building a better business will create lasting value, bring better investment results and sustainable returns to our investor and shareholders. With the COVID-19 global pandemic in 2020, we strive to build a better business through our global platform, local insights and deep industry expertise to support people severely affected by the COVID-19 crisis and the resulting economic choices, to help people obtain more financial products and services in the process of recovery from COVID-19. Now I would like to tell you how you can recharge this app. For recharge, you have to click on user option, then this page will appear. Here the recharge option will flash on your screen. You have to click on the recharge option. Once you click on the recharge option, a new page will appear. Here you get a video through which you can get and easily recharge your app. You may like, then you can play this video and learn how to recharge this app. If you cut it, then recharge page will appear. Here are so many options like 500 rupees, 100 rupees, 5000 rupees. You can choose any one of them and click on the pay option. Here once you click on the pay option, a new page will appear and here you get your barcode. By scanning the barcode through any of your method like phone pay, google pay, any of them, or your link will also give. You can also copy this for recharge this app. By scanning or copy this link, you can easily recharge your app and earn so much money through a small amount of money. Once you done this process, the app will recharge automatically. Now